Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you that how to create a sticky menu in Elementor and also create some sticky effects like the changing of color on scroll for a particular header by using Elementor. Okay, so before starting, first let's see the live example. Here is a header with transparent background and this header is sticky on the top, but when I will scroll its background color will change to black, also menu color will change to red. Okay, but I want to implement this whole scenario in my another live website here. So without wasting time, let's start this. First of all, go to the edit with Elementor and click on Elementor header, whatever the name you write for this header, but just click on edit with Elementor. Now see here, this header is sticky at the top. So first of all, I will make this header sticky on the top of the page. So for this, click on section option, click on advanced and then motion effects and then click on sticky top. Okay, now this section is sticky on the top. Click update and visit the website and you will see that this header is now sticky on the top. See, but one thing is still pending and that is the change of background color. Okay, now see, this background color will change when you scroll little bit. It means this is offset of the header. So for this you must go to the section setting again and motion effects, then see the effects offset. Now click on effects offset and set a value. For this you want to show the effects, I mean after 100, after 100 value, after 500 value, this effect will show like this. Okay, the value which you will keep minimum, then your effects will show quickly. The value which you will keep more, I mean 200, 400, 500, then the offset, then the sticky effect will show later on. So for this I will, for example, I want to put here 200 value. Okay, so it means when you scroll down up to 200 value, then your sticky effects, I mean the changing of background color will show here. Okay, after 200 value. Okay, now the very important thing is to change the background color of the header. So for this I already have a code for this. You simply copy paste this code and put in the particular area of the section. For example, I want to copy this whole code. This is the actual code to create scroll effect, I mean the background change color effect in the Elementor header. So first of all, copy this code, then go to the header section again and go down to the custom CSS and then put here. Okay, and update. Keep in mind you can use this custom CSS code in the customizer of the website. Okay, also you can use it here in the section custom CSS area, but it is up to you, whatever you want to use and wherever you want to use. But in order to save the time, in order to simplify the things, I just put the code inside the section CSS area. So in order to show the CSS or write CSS in the customizer of the theme, you must go to the additional CSS option here and then use here this code. Both values are working fine, I mean in section, CSS area and in the customizer CSS area. Okay, so I already used here, just update this and now scroll down to the page and you will see the effect is showing. Let's reload this page again, and now when you scroll up to 200 value on the page, this effect will show. For example, I will scroll 200 value and then it show the effect. Okay, so in this way you can change the background color of the header. Click on this color is white. Now I want to change this color to black and menu color to red. So first of all, let's change the background color of the header. So here in this code you will find background color this. Simply change this color to six times 0 or simply write black. Okay, so it will change the color up to black. Update this and reload this. Scroll down and you will see the effect is showing. Okay, so in this way you can change the background color of the sticky effect. But now next step is to change the menu color. So for this, first of all you have to change or use this class in the menu class area. I mean, assign a class to the menu in the header. So click on navigation menu, go to the advanced and go down to the CSS classes. Right here the class name which I used here in the CSS area. Okay, you can change this class as you want. Now change the color of the menu by changing the color value here. For example, I want to convert this white color to red. Okay, so write red and update this. Now when you will scroll down, then sticky effects will occur and your menu color will also change to red. Okay, so in this way you can change the background color and the menu color of the sticky header. Okay, so this is a simple video to show that how to change the sticky background header and also the menu color of the sticky header. Okay, hopefully you find this video very helpful. If you find this video very helpful, please like my channel, subscribe my channel, also share this video. Thank you very much.